Hello! Hi po! Magandang umaga! Hala! Napakabongga naman natin dito.
Mayong buntag. Magandang umaga, Pao.
Hello, good
Good
morning.
morning. Welcome to LA.
Hello.
From Avelo Cebuano, welcome to Los Angeles.
Hi, thank you so much. Hello!
Oh, please, guys, have a seat because we're going to have some questions for you later. Or actually, right now. All right, so let's start with the Q&A, shall we? All right, guys, have a seat, everybody. Let's give them some breathing room to relax because they're going to have some questions. So the first question I would love to call is Red Messina of Kim Pao Universe. Red Messina, where are you? All right, there you are. Can we get a mic to Red Messina? Oh, there you go. I got it. Thank you.
Hello. Bati muna kami.
Oo nga.
Bati muna kami.
Ayan, hello, hello. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, ang saya na makita po kayo dito sa LA. Wow, nasa LA tayo nagpo-promote. Thank you so much, diba? Napakabongga talaga ng Star Cinema. And sa lahat na nanonood sa amin online via Star Cinema YouTube. Tama ba ako? Star Cinema YouTube. Hello, hello, good morning. And good morning and madaling araw sa Pilipinas.
Good morning rin.
And good morning din. So yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Thank you and thank you for supporting me and Paolo. Thank you so much.
Ayun, first of all, I want to thank everyone for your time, for coming here. Thank you for your support and ayan. Sana mapanood niyo yung pelikula paglabas dito. Nakikita namin yung mga tweets ng mga ibang taong taga dito and may surprise kami later this evening.
Today, ay mamaya ba?
Ano bang sabihin?
Mamayang gabi?
Meron kaming bagong, lalabas na yung trailer 2.
Trailer 2!
This evening. Yan, medyo...
Director's cut.
Mas magugustuhan nyo kasi
Mas gusto ni Paolo. Yeah.
mas romantic naman itong trailer 2. Yan lang, thank you.
All right, so should we start with the question?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. What's your name, Muna?
I'm Red Messina from Kim Pao Universe.
All right, let's give a round of applause, guys.
Hello! Welcome back to the US!
Hello, yes. Oo nga. Hello, hello.
Congratulations for the movie. And Kim, the sari as a character is actually very fitting for the March event because it's International Women's Month, by the way.
Yes.
So, happy
Sa lahat
International Women's
ng mga
Month.
nandito, mga mabuhay ang lahat ng mga babae. Makiisa ka sa amin.
Mabuhay ang lahat ng kababaihan na nagsilang sa aming mga lalaki.
Yes.
So, here's the question then. What would you advise an independent, very strong woman who actually stopped believing in having love and decided not to enter into a labeled relationship?
Wow, pa-Miss Universe pala yung tanong. Hi, my name is Kimberly Suyap Chu, born in Tacloban. I'm a Cebuana and a proud Filipina. Standing in front of you. Grabe naman pa-Miss Universe naman yung tanong na yon. What is my advice? Diyos ko, gusto ko din advisean niya rin ako. Kasi, alam mo naman, gusto ko na rin naman. Ay! Hoy! Charot lang.
Nagkakape pa kasi ako, di ba?
Ay, please,
Gusto
magkape
mo
ka
ba?
pa. Ay! Baka iligo ko na to. Para magising din. Charot lang. Advice to all the women who are scared to fall in love again. Labeled relationship. Asawa? Pwede naman boyfriend, girlfriend muna. With label. Sabi nga sa Nido, di ba, check the label. Uy, kung na-expire na o hindi. Uy! Sasagutin ko ba talaga? Advice? Siyempre yung love naman, hindi naman talaga yan may pagkakaila. Parang, etong movie na to, yan yung magiging sagot sa lahat ng mga takot magmahal or takot na lagyan ng label. Label? Ano ba mga advice sa mga takot mag-label? Lala, ikaw tinanong.
Yung advice ko kasi lagi, subukan mo lang lahat para malaman mo kung anong gusto mo.
Hala, grabe naman. Subukan lahat. Nakakatakot naman. Di pa ulit-ulit ako masasaktan kung susubukan ko lahat.
So, paano mo mahanap kung sino talaga yung para sa'yo, di ba? Kung sino talaga yung gusto mo, kung hindi ka papasok or hindi mo kikilalanin ng mabuti yung mga kasama mo.
Parang sapatos lang. Sukat lang ng sukat hanggat sa...
Hanapin mo kung anong bagay sa'yo.
Mahanap mo yung bagay sa'yo at yung para sa'yo. Ginawang sapatos yung sarili. Pwede ba yun? Pero syempre, to all the women na takot magmahal, wag sila matakot mag-love. Kasi pain naman is part of growing up. And pain will really shape you. So kung sino man yung magiging ikaw in the coming future. Kaya wag ka matakot masaktan, okay lang yan. Pati bayan na to, Women's Month nga, di ba? So, lahat ng emotions pinagdadaanan ng isang babae. But at the end of the day, we still remain strong. We're very resilient. And ang daming pinagdadaanan ng katawan ng babae, wala sinabi sa katawan ng lalaki. Hoy! Talo ka! Mas marami kami babae. Pero being a woman, dapat mahalin natin yung sarili natin. That's the first advice. Kasi hindi ka makakapagbigay ng love kung hindi mo ganun ka-love yung sarili mo. So before all the label, you have to love yourself first. And give yourself respect. So yan lang. Mabuhay ang lahat ng mga babae.
I love that. So parang if you can't love yourself, how can you love anybody
Yes,
else?
di ba? So, lagi ka lang kung hindi mo ganun ka-love yourself mo, lagi ka lang mag-chase ng love para yun yung maging parang approval mo. So, dapat love yourself first.
Sakto,
Ang dami ko
right?
sinabi.
Self-love. Exactly. All right, so we have another question for you guys. Is that okay? Are you guys ready? Baka another Miss Universe question or Mr. Universe question from...
Yes, Mr. Universe from Baguio City, please.
So, all right, so who is Catherine of Kim Pao, the other side? Where are you at? Hi, Catherine. Guys, let's give her a round of applause. The world is watching.
Hello, Kim and Pao. I'm Catherine from San Diego, representing San Diego.
All right, San Diego.
Okay, here's the question. Given your role, what is your perspective in the current state of the entertainment industry in the Philippines, and are you guys going to try to step into the Hollywood world?
Siya yan.
All right, Mr. Universe.
Translator, please. Well, speaking of the current state of the film industry in the Philippines, it's always a struggle. We've been struggling ever since the pandemic, and until this day, we've been struggling. Star Cinema has been blessed, very blessed with box office hits lately, but it doesn't represent the whole industry. So we're trying, where everyone's trying to come out with better content or better content for our fellow Filipinos, and getting into Hollywood. It's baby steps. I always feel that we should start in our country first before we should go out. But like what Star Cinema and ABS-CBN is doing, we also cater to all the Filipinos abroad. As we all know, we have a lot of Filipinos worldwide. And we can start from there, then we'll see where it can go. But ang priority talaga namin ay mga Pilipino dahil kayo naman talagang sumuporta sa aming mga pelikula, sa mga teleserye ng ABS. So you guys are the priority.
Nice. Thank you, Paolo. And Paolo, you're absolutely right. I mean, yung industriya talaga, it feels like it's shrinking even here in Hollywood rin, no? And so we need every single person to go out there and buy a ticket to the movie. bring your non-Filipino friends because it looks like this movie is sexy. They're gonna love it. And
Rated PG naman kami. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-sexy. Parang ganun tanduay yung, hindi naman siya ganun lang.
grabe, wow.
Bakit may ganyan? Ba't ibang shape yan? Bakit mas maliit na size?
Feeling ko kayo nagpa-print niyan, no?
All right, so we have another question. And this one is from Giuseppe. Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and Phil-Am Creative. Giuseppe, Bisaya po ba yan eh?
Wow, hello.
Taga-Cebu
My
po.
buntag Kim.
May
and
buntag.
good morning, Pao. My name is Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and Phil-Am Creative. Regarding SoCal Filipinos, you met Jason yesterday. He wanted to ask first, like, which cookie did you like better, Jason's or Ginger's?
Pareho masarap.
Hindi ko pa natitikman. Hindi ko pa natitikman.
To be determined.
Pero maybe later this day or this evening. But andun lang naman. Hindi ko pa natitikman, but yeah.
For Film Creative, from your series Lin Lang and Secretary Kim, both amazing, intense series, how was the transition from those series to your first debut movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear? Mr. Candidate number 1 and Miss Candidate number 1.
Yes, who will be the winner in this competition? What's the difference? Transition. Siyempre, magkaiba naman ng mga tone yung mga projects na nagawa namin. Linlang was very heavy, very dark, about deceit, about panglilinlang, and tapos What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, isa naman siyang adaptation na romantic comedy din. Pero this is an original story and we're very proud to show everyone our versatility sa tandem namin. Parang this project is, it gave us a different challenge pero rewarding siya afterwards kasi we get to show the people who love us, who support us, a new side of our tandem. So, medyo kakaiba yung mapapanood nila dito. Maraming smile from Paolo Avellino. Yeah!
Sir, I would say coming from Linlang, which was tackling infidelity, and it was so intense, and I'm sure if some of you guys have seen Linlang, it was nothing sweet at all. So I never really expected us to come up with like several projects afterwards. But yeah, I always try to find or to mix things up and find something new that I can offer every time I enter a project. And I would say like, My Love Will Make You Disappear. I would say it's like a mashup of the intensity of Linlang and the romance of Linlang and the lightness of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So it's a mix of both. It's definitely lighter, but I would say this movie has a lot of heart. And if you've seen Secretary Kim, mas Pinoy. Mas Pinoy naman tong what nahalo ko na. My Love Will Make You Disappear. So yung mga dilemmas and sentiments are very, very Filipino and napagdadaanan ng mga not just the young people but even mga kaidaran natin.
Nice. Winner. All right, so Rosel de Guzman of Kim Pao Team Abroad has a question for both Kim and Paolo. Rosel, hello.
Hi, good morning. Welcome
Good
back
morning.
to California, and congratulations on your movie.
Thank you.
This is for Kim. Given the chance, what are your current life aspirations after fulfilling all your heart's desires? Seeing your family thrive and achieving financial security, what more do you desire from yourself at this point?
Nakakaiyak naman yung ano na yan. Tsaka maanghang sa eyes. Uy, hindi. Ano naman, I'm very lucky to be in this lifetime na parang hindi man naging okay yung childhood ko, pero parang naitama naman siya. Uy, baka magkaiyakan pa tayo dito. Charot lang. Naging okay naman siya along the way through hard work, through tapang ng sarili kung kakayanin o hindi, through ABS-CBN na rin. My heart and yun, yung suporta ng pamilya ko. Tapos sobrang okay naman na sila lahat ngayon. As a proud parent, di pala parent, sister, I'm very happy sa naging ng mga kapatid ko. Ngayon, sana ako naman. Wow! Yeah. Gusto ko yung palakpak ni tita. Gusto ko tumira na rin dito sa Amerika at magkaroon ng pamilya. Hoy! Hindi, ang heart's desire ko lang talaga as of this moment ay maging successful yung My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kasi ang dami talagang napagdaanan ng movie na to and pinaghandaan talaga naming mabuti. And then nagkaroon pa kami ng bagong blessing na naka-release siya worldwide in 34 countries and counting. So, sobrang ang laki ng movie. Ang wish ko lang talaga ay maging successful to. Marami yung makapanood, hindi man sa mga Pilipino and hindi Pilipino. So, nakaka-proud. Yun lang talaga yung desire ko. Lord, please, give it to us. Wow, give it to us! Give it to me. Tarot lang.
Give it to them.
Yeah.
All right, Rosel, you have one more question from Paolo.
After patiently waiting for 15 years to work with Kim Chu, what were your expectations and how did your professional relationship begin?
Oo nga eh.
Ang lalim na.
15 years. Yep. When I first transferred to ABS-CBN, I immediately, actually hindi ko na naalala yung interview na yun, pero given how I think, I was thinking then, Kim was very, very bubbly and parang she's so pleasant to watch on TV, so I wanted to work with her. But so many things happened along the way and parang yun, nabigyan na rin ng pagkakataon sa wakas during Linlang when we were looking for the cast for Juliana. So maraming na-considered. Medyo nagulat rin ako nung lumabas yung name ni Kim. Tinanong ko kaagad sa producers namin and director kung nabasa na ba ni Kim yung script. Kasi kaya niyo ba? Parang yun naman. Sabi ko,
nagdudahan mo ba ako?
Hindi kasi medyo, medyo mainit. Mainit yung mga eksena. But, ayun nga, kaya naman daw ni Kim. So I was excited. I always see Kim sa mga ASAP shows and stuff. But we never got to really mingle together dahil hindi rin naman ako nagsasalita at hindi rin naman ako nakikihalubilo masyado. Pero I'm happy and glad, and now that I got to work with her, parang mas na-appreciate ko si Kim dahil medyo pareho kami ng work ethics. Mabilis akong kumilos pagdating sa trabaho, gusto ko maayos lahat and very organized. And parang yun rin yung nakita ko kay Kim. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga artista minsan, di ba? Parang babagal kumilos, nag-makeup pa, nagre-retouch pa, nagbibihis pa.
Sino yan?
Marami.
Welcome to the bus.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na negative yun. Pero mahirap talagang mag-artista dahil ang daming kinukunan na eksena sa isang araw. At syempre, yung mga in-betweens yung kailangan nila mag-ayos. But ayun, natuwa ako na maganda yung work ethics ni Kim. So, nung dumating yung mga pagkakataon na nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon mag-work ulit after Linlang, parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na mag-yes sa mga project na yan.
Sa rom-com? Yala!
Actually, may konting pilit ni Kim yun, pero...
Hoy!
So are you saying that she convinced you to do this movie?
Kind of.
That's beautiful. Okay, so we have
I
one
mean,
more-
not this movie, but the project before this.
So we have one last question, if that's okay with you guys. Si Tita Lydia Solis from Phil Global Media Group. Tita Lydia, are you ready to ask your question?
Welcome back to Los Angeles. You are an inspiration.
Thank you.
Yes, widowed twice. Last husband died 10 years ago, and I found new love. But I'm very much a cougar. I'm 85, and he's younger. It's okay? Do I get your approval?
Okay.
No, mukha lang po kayong 35.
Okay. Now, my question is how, right now, with all the roller coaster of emotions since your visit, how do you feel today, this very minute? And that's one question. The other question is, what is your message to all your fans, someone from Cayman Islands, someone from Orlando, Florida, and Secret Revealed? I am a journalist. I'm supposed to be unbiased. I'm supposed not to be affected by feelings when I write my stories. And my secret is separately. First, I've been a secret fan of Paula.
Paolo.
And then later on of Kim, when I saw Secretary and Linlang and all that. And now both of you. So I don't know, should I recuse myself from writing this story because I should not be affected by my feelings? I love you both.
Thank you. First of all, ma'am, baka pwede niyong ipamana sa new love niyo yung mga mana. Kasi mahal na tayo. I'm kidding, ma'am, but go.
What we are feeling at this very moment, syempre we're very thankful para makarinig ng mga ganyang stories that yun nga po nung asawa niyo po 10 years ago. So parang, and kami ni Pao made you happy kahit papano, naibsan yung kalungkutan. Actually, yun talaga yung purpose namin talaga. Gusto talaga namin magpasaya na maraming tao. And isa na po kayo doon. And thank you for saying that to us dahil it really means a lot. Kasi pag nakakita kami ng mga ganyan or nakakarinig kami ng stories, medyo lagi siya, parang OA siyang, lagi siya sinasabi, oh wow, nakakatuwa naman. Pero sobra po talagang impact sa amin yung nakakadagdag po ng inspiration na yung ginagawa namin na to is hindi lang para sa sarili namin, kundi na nire-reflect din namin yung kasiyahan namin. Wow, kasiyahan namin sa maraming tao. And that's what keeps us going. Parang hindi nakakapagod na gawin ito kasi meron kaming napapasayang maraming tao. And next is message to all the fans. Thank you so much. Alam, sobrang yes, kasi nakikita namin yung mga banners na yan sa mall show namin sa Pilipinas. Pero nakakatuwa kasi meron din banner dito sa Los Angeles, California. So, hindi lang pang Philippines, meron din sa Amerika. So, yung mga nakakatuwa kasi parang, di ba, hello Tito, Kim Pao Republic, mabuhay po kayo. Ayan, Kim Pao The Other Side, mga Kim Pao Universe, Kim Pao Team Abroad,
Kim Pao Cebu.
Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Chu Global, yung
International.
binabasa lang namin to last week sa Dasmariñas SM, pero akalain mo nagbabasa kami sa Los Angeles, California. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal talaga sa amin ni Pao all over the world. Wow, inano ko na yung sarili ko all over the world. We love you all so much. Sobrang wala ang salitang salamat. Kung may sobra pa sa salitang thank you, yun po yung gusto naming sabihin sa inyo. And with this movie na mapapanood mapapanood nyo po sa March 28 dito sa US. Regalo po namin sa inyo. I'm sure maghahampasan po kayo ng bonggang-bongga. So, we give it our all, we give it our best para po sa inyong lahat.
What am I feeling right now? I think there's immense pressure when we're always trying to sell a movie or trying to get people to watch a movie. Not just because mahirap magbenta ng pelikula ngayon, pero dahil worldwide rin yung release namin, so medyo nakakaba and coming from Star Cinemas, mga previous movies ng Star Cinema, so dagdag pressure sa amin. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited to go around and meet everyone and to visit several screenings once we come out, also here in the US. And my message to the fans, I just want to say thank you. The support has been out of this world. It's gone up and above what regular fans or supporters do for what they call their mains. You see posters on people's gates in the Philippines, on people's cars. You see buses painted with our...
Sa gate ng bahay, meron pa yung paggawa ng gate.
Buses painted with our posters without Star Cinema, na hindi sinagot ng Star Cinema. People are really going beyond what's needed, or beyond the support that's not even being asked to promote the movie and help this movie make it a success. So I'm very thankful, and like what Kim said earlier, I've been doing projects left and right back in the Philippines, different roles, dark, light, or crazy. Pero ayun nga, parang dito ko sa totoo lang po, parang nagka-crave pa rin yung katawan ko na gumawa ng mga kakaiba, na mga hindi ko pa nagagawa, hindi ko pa na-explore na roles. But I keep remembering seeing people's smiles. If you remember, I don't like receiving gifts from anyone at all. I like letters. And when I read the letters, it's very inspiring. It's something else to read those letters and know that you're making an impact in their life in a positive way. You make them smile. And siguro that's what also kept me going. And na mag-co-work rin kami lagi ni Kim, dahil kung nakapagbigay ako ng ganitong saya sa mga tao na siguro kahit nagtatrabaho abroad or malungkot sa buhay, parang if I could make even one people feel happy or uplift their day because of what we're doing, then bakit ko ititigil gawin to para mag-inspire ng ibang tao. So again, I'm very grateful and very thankful to everyone.
Yeah. Share ko lang, may nabasa kasi siyang letter na nasa Dubai ba tayo? So sabi niya, basahin mo, naiyak ako kanina. Tapos binasa ko, naiyak din naman ako. Pero binabasa niya talaga lahat ng letter. Ako din naman. Parang din naman nagbabasa. Pero thank you so much. Maraming salamat. May kita niyo po more of his 13 teeth more often. Binilang na.
And honestly, like, before you guys came out here, we were talking about you with everyone here, diba, guys? We were talking about them. And people really love that you're good hearts. And that's the #1 thing that they love about you, is you're not only a beautiful duo. I mean, I'm looking at you like, wow, starstruck, right? Pero your hearts are just so full of kindness and full of love, not only for each other, but for every single person here who's love and support you.
Thank you.
All right, so, okay, I heard a rumor, Kim and Paolo, from my friends here in Los Angeles, now they see you guys working out together in the mornings. What do you guys do in the mornings together?
Nagbe-breakfast sabay. No, joke lang.
What are the workouts like?
Wini-workout namin yung samahan na. Why?
I heard you guys jog together too? Jogging?
Jogging, eh.
I always run especially when I'm abroad because hindi naman lahat ng napagsasayan namin may gym or may ano. So the best and easiest way to work out for me is running. It also fixes my jet lag na medyo ngayon lang naayos. So yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. And of course, Kim runs as well. So every morning niyayaya ko siya. Kung sinong maunang magising sa amin, sabi ko, Kim, gising ka na.
Hala!
Ay,
Tabi!
tabi pala
Hala,
tayo.
tabi!
Ay, hindi pala. Katok pala yun. Oo, mali pala, mali. Mali pala, katok pala. Kim, gising ka na. Ganun pala yun.
Hala!
I think they just caught you. Kim, gising ka na.
Tatalikod lang,
Gising na.
tatalikod.
May bagong headlines bukas. All right, so, what's your response, Kim?
Hala! Nanaginip ba ako nun? Sana hindi na nagising.
Alright guys, don't miss it again on March 26 sa Pilipinas. Mapapanood ang mga My Love Will Make You Disappear. But now for the moment we've been waiting for, we have a special surprise for you to check out. Alright? So we're gonna count down together. You guys know what it is yet? Oh, okay, so let's do a count. Ready? 5,
4, 3,
2, 1.
Wow! The new poster.
Yes, hindi pa rin po natatapos ang sanamaknok na poster.
This is the new poster for My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Pang 25th poster. But I'm more excited for you guys to watch our new trailer
Yes, meron
coming
ka
out
bang
this
konting
evening.
hint sa kanila kung ano yung magiging trailer mamayang gabi? Umaga sa Pilipinas. Yung trailer.
Hint, ayoko mag-spoil pero mas nakakakilig tong trailer. Mas romance siya. Ayun.
Yeah. And bago yung kanta.
Siguro
bago
mga 4 to 6 p.m. Around 4 to 6
Anong
p.m.
oras?
lalabas.
Yeah, you guys need to be there, right?
Around 4 to 6 p.m. lalabas yung bagong trailer. Ipapalabas dito sa Cerritos later sa
Dito,
konsyerto.
8 p.m. nila.
Okay.
8 a.m. Diba mayang 6? Yeah, nung naparod ko siya parang, naiyak ako. Oh. Sana kayo din.
Guys, feel free to go ahead and take pictures of this new poster with Kim and Paolo right here. All right, and then before we, let's just give them one round of applause for being here, first of all. Kim, Paolo, what is your final message for our loving fans here in Los Angeles today?
Ayun na. Thank you so much. Thank you very much sa pagpunta po dito sa saan nga ba to? Cerritos. Thank you sa lahat ng mga bumiyahe, sa lahat ng mga naglaan ng time for their weekend para sa amin ni Pao. Maraming salamat po. And for all the love, for all the support, for all the time, effort, and lahat na makipag-coordinate sa Philippines to kung sino-sino man. Basta maraming salamat. And I hope you enjoy our movie this coming March 28 dito sa US. And meron din kaming US screening dahil My Love Will Make You Disappear is finally here. Dahil may special screening po kami. Yes, babalik po kami dito sa Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, happening on March 28, 29, and 30. 3 days tayo dito. Today sa rito, babalik po kami, manonood po kami kasama ninyo, and we'll have a surprise BTS clips and Q&A sessions.
Ayun pa, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumiyahe pa sa iba't ibang lugar para makapunta dito. Thank you. At sana safe rin kayo makauwi mamaya. But again, thank you again for the support. Nakita ko may mga block screenings na sa mga first few days namin dito. So, thank you. Wala talaga ako masabi kundi thank you. Ang pinakamalaking regalo namin na maibibigay sa lahat ng sumusuporta talaga namin ay through our work. And I'm sure my love will make you disappear. Ang biggest gift na pwede naming iregalo sa inyo. So thank you.
And
Of course, again, like what Kim said earlier, we're going to be at the Cinemark Carson Theater, Carson, California, in March 28, 29, and 30. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga tickets, you can visit mytfc.com to reserve your tickets. Yeah.
All right, 28, 29, and 30. Don't forget, guys, they'll be back. And mytfc.com. But we're also going to acknowledge Amaret Jones, Patricia Folgar, and her team, marketing consultant and partners of Star Cinema. Thank you guys for being here. Oh, and guys, we want to keep in touch. All right, so before you leave here, I'll go see Amaret and her team to leave your email address at the registration. So we will email you with photos of today's event and things like that. And then we're going to have a groupie shot pretty soon with everybody, but please don't, let's be respectful of Kim and Paolo to not, rush the stage. Let's just be very respectful. Oh, respectful, not disrespectful. All right. Should we start the groupie pick? Let's do a creative muna. Or do you want to, okay, groupie, let's do the groupie.
Should they stand? Okay, you may stand.
You may stand, everybody, let's stand. All right, we'll just gather around. We're gonna do a groupie pick with everybody. All right, everybody compress. Closer, closer. All right, okay, count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Kim Pao! Everyone's too busy smiling to go, woo!
Mag-hello naman kayo sa IG ko.
Saan mag-IG?
Hello, everybody!
Thank you, Kim and Paolo, and please tell everyone, your Filipino friends, your non-Filipino, guys, don't rush the stage, guys. Thank you for being here. All right, let's not crowd them, but they will be here back on the 28th, 29th, and 30th. Let's be respectful to to Kim Pao. Well, they'll be back. All right, so, it's going to be a lot of fun on the 28th, 29th, and 30th. They'll be back, don't worry. Oh, don't rush the stage, guys. Please don't walk onto the stage, please. Let's keep it safe. It's about safety. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Paul. And thank you for coming here today. And don't forget to write those letters and your email addresses on the photo registration. Guys, don't rush the stage. Let's keep some distance. Don't get on the stage, please. Please, no, nobody get on the stage. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. We can't be on the stage. We can't be on the stage. I'm so sorry. All right, nobody go on the stage just for safety. It's just for safety, guys. Safety is very important. They'll be back. Don't